In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in S&P 500 on Wealthsimple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their website, which is my.wealthsimple.com, and you want to sign into your account. After you do this, to be able to actually invest and buy S&P 500 stocks and ETFs, you will have to essentially create an account. So over here, you'll have to add one. You can just click add an account, and then you can select which one you want to create over here. Once you've done that, you'll have to top it up. So you'll have to press add money over here, link your bank account, and then you'll be able to start adding funds to your account. So after you do this, go up here and where it says search name or symbol, click on that, and then you want to type in S&P 500, just like this. And then here under stocks and ETFs, you'll see there's a bunch of different S&P 500s. Now, of course, you can choose whichever one you want. So there's a bunch of them. You can do your own research and see which one you would like to get. But for this instance, I'm just going to show you how to do it with this first one on the list over here. So you want to click on the one you'd like to get. And then here you can see how the stock is currently doing or how the ETF is currently doing. And then here on the right, you can essentially just buy it. So you can select your order type, either if you want a market buy, a limit buy, or a stop limit buy. And then you can basically select if you want to buy in shares or dollars. And then after that, you want to put in the share or dollar amount over here. So for example, $100. And then this will give you the visibility of the estimated shares you will get for this much. Or, of course, you can just do max in case you want to do that too. So after you've done that, you want to select your account over here, and then it's going to show you your available cash. In case you don't have the available cash required for this purchase, you'll be able to add this much that you need in the next step. So you can click next over here, and then you can just add money via that, and then place your order to actually buy this much of the S&P 500 ETF. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.